kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Semut Menteri Rangba Kajila uba Prestone Tensong habakran shikilat pathai kubor hadian kajing syakem ki laingut basubadon keti ban penyap ya ke sonam kumjuru hadian baka sonam kala IT yalade haki Pulit ke Uttar Pradesh ulaong bakajing penmi ki kubor ki National New dak bakano bakajala Meghalaya kade kajaka bajur ki kamsniu ulaong baka penmong ya kajala bada ke sarkar namar ki khlamat banya ya ke kubor shwaban penmi uba Prestone ulaong baka Meghalaya kade kajala ke basnga ni ki nongwan jungok kai Bad ki Pulit ke Meghalaya Kidei na pedeng ki Pulit ki Tbit na po kari India. Ulaong ba ki Pulit ke Meghalaya ki long ki Tbit klam Donkam ke Ïarap da ki Shipai ni Donkam Ïarap na ki Pulit ke sarkar pedeng haba ki le ya kanu kanu ka kam. Kumta ula kerpat ki nong shong kari India bandum nget ki khubor ki social media ni ki khubor ba penmi da ki national news namar kam long ke bashisha namar ke Meghalaya ka long ke jila ke basngai. Uliyat huru bahadu menta ki nong jungok kai perthai ki dang yai tu habo ke jila But ukerman bahadian ke job ya kana kam bamenta kanang yai ai mensiam yaki wepan manangwan kai syakajela.
Yes, that is very good, very good question. See, from the government side, we were so deeply hurt when we saw so many comments made in the social media, in the national news, treated Meghalaya as a den of criminals. So it's really hurt for us, but I just personally take it that okay, maybe out of emotion, out of desperation, maybe they could not control themselves, then maybe they just talk without any sense at all. But let me tell you one thing, we have already told you also, Meghalaya is very safe. Our police force also is one of the best in the country. I think you have seen it, we have proved it. And not only that, I think you remember it correctly, I think 15, 20 years down the line back, you knew it, the militancy, how we handle things. Our police is one of the best. I'm telling you, we don't need army. We don't need any forces from the central government. But we handle it ourselves. I think you have seen it, the history. So therefore, what I would like to appeal to every person in India or outside India, please don't take this news, be it in the social media or in the mainstream of national news and state news, because it is not at all a fact, and Meghalaya is safe. And right now also, I should say, the tourists are flowing into Meghalaya on daily basis, and I'm very sure through this operation, the successful operation made by our police force, will further encourage others to again keep visiting Meghalaya and Shillong. We will see how to go about it, because right now, as I said to you, please don't come to any conclusion since the real investigation has just started.
I just want to add to sir.
Kidei kirus niu. Kini ki sangut ki brio kem bat sangut bat katukalok jong late raja. Ïarap ba kidei kini kirus niu. Bat kini kirus niu ru ngalaban ong kimdei nang ni na jela jong i. Kidei ki menang tei na ba jong ke jela ke jong i. Ngatrai kitu ki bekret. Kitu ki ba iNews. Lapi ong ka national ni la ka northeast la ne kat badai la ne haki social media. Ngatrai ka ne hi kan jubab ya ki. Ba pleng ka ne ka jing jom kerke joki ban ai ka conclusion ban ong ba ke jela Meghalaya ka de ka basniu la ne ka bom sngan ka bamut maki hi kin sya kenok kala ba pleng ka ne ka bangin le raj kala mangi kum kinat ki kum kita ki social media la ne kum kita ki news ki well established news kiba let's say kiba juai ya kata ka kubor syakleng jokri dia jogi na ka puas Kaya kaba arpat ru na kaliang jogi komen ni sampai kumlaong SP mana hidon katukan ni kiba teng i kiba kan narrative kaba kil ai makikal along too personal kaba along pala kumi kita ngau ki nginem spare ha kaba katukan ni tliki FIR na kaliang jom ka police department kalale
Sir, ba bun ki primi kanartif ba desi ki dele ki shijur stisha ki han so la ki ja kadang kanartif bong ba ki nong shong stong ki bong ki bong long rami kanartif kan ni kan investigation kala pen pau ya ka jing shisha buat ki turis ki kadang patong jing chetiang lada ki nong shong stong ki la bande pun ta te kadang ka jing chetiang ki rei kan ni kan investigation kala wada ka jing shisha kala pen pau madan ya ka jing le kam dei nang ni kadai beliau nang thing work ki nabari bukan deh kani kan wada kan confidence ba hoi dan beliau ru insya Allah baik
Okay, tak, kau boleh.